Hi, welcome to today's English class. In today's portion, we are seeing how Nelson Mandela remembers the sacrifices, unimaginable sacrifices of thousands of his people who had gone before him, and the sufferings and their sufferings and courage can never be repaid or counted. And see, he says, I felt that day, as I have on so many other days, that I was simply the sum of all those African patriots who had gone before him. He says he is the sum of uh, thousands of African patriots who had gone before him, and that long and noble line ended, and now he says that noble line of patriots ended, and another line began with him. And I was able to thank. He now feels regrets. He feels regret that he could not pay gratitude, or he could not thank those people who fought for the freedom of the people of Africa before him, and he could not thank him. And also one more thing, he regrets that those people were not able to see the result of their sacrifice. Now they have got. The policy of apartheid created a deep and lasting wound in my country and my people. He says the policy of apartheid had brought a long and deep wound in the hearts of the people, and he says it will take generations or many years to recover from the deep hurt or deep wound created by the policy of apartheid. And also he says one unintended but one unintended but important thing happened because of that policy. That was the creation of many African leaders like Oliver Tambo, Walter Sisulu, Chief Lithuli, etc. That was another good impact made by that suffering of long years. And again, he says, perhaps it requires such depth of, he says, it requires such depth of oppression to create such deep characters. And Nelson Mandela says, my country, I know that my country is rich with the minerals and gems beneath the soil, but I'm sure that the people of my country is more wealthier or more greatest wealth than the finer and purest diamonds. And it is from those he remembers the sacrifices of the comrades of his comrades who fought with him. Comrades means companions. He remembers the sacrifices of his companions, and from them, and he says from them he learned the meaning of courage. And he says the meaning of courage means it is not the absence of fear. Courage is not the absence of fear, but it is the triumph over fear. And he says a brave man is not one who does not have fear, but one who conquers fear or make triumph over fear. And see, Nelson Mandela feels proud of the people who had gone before him, who had fought for him. And here, and he says many men and women sacrificed or gave their life for one idea. What is that idea? The idea of uh, idea against the discrimination of people against the or according to the color of the skin. See, their risk they risked their life and gave their lives for an idea. And he has seen men stand stand up to attacks and torture without breaking or without protesting. They stood up against the sufferings, and showing their strength and resilience that defies the imagination. They showed the resilience. What is resilience? Resilience means recover from hardship. They have stood against the sufferings, and they showed, and they have got the resilience. They have recovered from the hardships, and finally they were able to attain what they were aiming by their sacrifices. Here, so in today's portion, Nelson Mandela is completely remembering the sacrifices of his forefathers who fought for the freedom, and also his comrades who were fighting with him and they were fighting for the same cause, and now they were able to see the result of that cause. That where these were the new words we learned in this portion. You can see that wrote here means achieved, it is there in the first paragraph, and profound means deep and strong. The third one is resilience, that means recover from hardships, and the fourth one is comrades, means companion. You know this meaning. So read the lesson very well and try to do the homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.